students. Hope you all are well. This is Shetu Mitro, lecturer, Department of Agricultural Studies, Milestone College, Uttara, Dhaka. Now you all are welcome to my quiz discussion class.
Today I will discuss about experiment Nong 5, and the name of the experiment is Identify the soil acidity and alkalinity. From the previous experiments, you already knew that you have to use only right side page of your practical notebook for both drawing and writing, and make sure don't use right side page. In this slide, you can see an image of your practical notebook page. Here, you have to write the experiment name, that is identify the soil acidity and alkalinity. And here you have to write the experiment nong, that is 5. Then you have to write the page nong of your practical notebook, and then you have to write the date, and the date will be the submission date. Now the principle of this experiment. Soil acidity and alkalinity can be identified by using litmus paper, where the color of litmus paper are changed due to the reaction with soil solutions, hydrogen ion and hydroxyl ion. Now the necessary materials. These materials are essential for this experiment. First, soil sample, then red and blue litmus paper, then beaker, then wash bottle with water, and then glass rod. Working procedure or functional method. Firstly, 50 grams soil sample was taken in the beaker. Then mixed 150 milliliter water in the beaker's soil. Then mixed water and soil properly about 30 minutes with glass rod. Then leave that about 20 minutes without move. And lastly, after sinking the red and blue litmus paper in the soil solution about 30 seconds, it was observed that the color of the litmus paper was changed. Here you can see images related to this experiment. When both litmus paper are sinking in the solutions inside beaker, if blue litmus paper turn red in color and red litmus paper is unchanged, we can say this solution is a acidic solution. And if red litmus paper turn blue in color and blue litmus paper is unchanged, we can say this solution is a alkaline solution. And if both litmus paper are unchanged, then we can say this solution is a neutral solution. In your practical notebook, you should draw this type of image with pencil. In this slide, you can see a table where demonstration and decision are present. From the table, first column representing serial number, second column demonstration, and third column representing decision. Point 1. Blue litmus paper become red in the soil solution. Red litmus paper become unchanged in the soil solution. Then the decision will be this soil solution is a acidic soil and its pH is less than 7. Point 2. Red litmus paper become blue in the soil solution and blue litmus paper become unchanged in the soil solution. Then the decision will be this soil is a alkaline soil and its pH is more than 7. 3. Both red and blue litmus paper was unchanged in the soil solution. then the decision will be this soil is a neutral soil and its pH above 7. In this slide, you can see two color litmus paper and a table. The table representing test result with the litmus paper. Now the result. The supplied soil sample was acidic soil because blue litmus paper turned into red color and red litmus paper is unchanged in the soil solution. In every experiment, some precautions should be maintained, and in this experiment, this precaution should be maintained. 1. Water pH should be neutral and demonstrated litmus paper color very carefully. My dear students, if you have any queries about today's lecture, please ask to your subject teacher. They must help you. That's all for today's lecture. Thank you all.